Hello friends, I am Abhijit. Today I am going to describe about one COVID-19 drugs. The drug name is 2-deoxy-D-glucose, means 2DG. 2DG is recently approved by the DCGI. In this video I will describe who developed structure of 2DG, about clinical trials, how does the drug works against COVID-19 patient, how can 2DG be consumed. So watch this video till the end and subscribe my channel with hit the bell icon. The drug 2DG has been developed jointly by Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Science, a lab of Defense Research and Development Organization means DRDO in collaboration with Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Hyderabad. Now I am describing the structure of 2DG. 2-deoxy-D-glucose is a sugar molecule only which has the 2-deoxy group replaced by the hydrogen molecules. Now what about the clinical trials? In April 2020, DRDO scientists conducted experiment with the help of Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology and found that this molecule works effectively against COVID-19 and inhibits the viral growth. Based on the result, DCGI Central Drugs Standard Control Organization permit the phase 2 trials. In phase 2 trials conducted on 110 patients between May and October 2020, the drugs was found to be safe. COVID patients who were administered the drugs saw faster symptomatic cure than patients in the standard care group. The DCGI then permitted phase 3 trials that were conducted on 220 patients between December 2020 and March 2021 at 27 COVID hospitals across the several states. The result shows that a significant higher proportion of patients in the 2DG group improved symptomatically and became free from supplemental oxygen dependence in comparison to those in the standard care group. A similar trend was observed in the patient aged more than 65 years old. Now, the most interesting is how 2DG work against COVID-19 patient. 2DG accumulates in the virus infected cell and prevents virus growth by stopping viral synthesis and destroyed energy production. The drug also works on virus infected spread into lungs, which help decrease patient dependability on oxygen. Now I will discuss step by step, so concentrate. Our cell produce energy means ATP through glycolysis and TCA cycle. In the first step of glycolysis, glucose converts into glucose 6-phosphate with help of hexokinase enzyme. Then glucose 6-phosphate converts into fructose 1,6-biphosphate with help of phosphofructokinase enzyme. And after some step, pyruvate will produce. This is the normal steps. Now see what happens if one COVID-19 patient takes 2-deoxy-D-glucose. I already told 2DG accumulates in the virus infected cell, means in virus infected cell 2-deoxy-D-glucose converts into 2-deoxy-glucose 6-phosphate with help of hexokinase enzyme. Now this 2-deoxy-glucose 6-phosphate could not convert into fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. So what happened? Glycolysis stopped and ATP production also stopped. 2-deoxy-glucose 6-phosphate inhibiting the function of hexokinase. In a single word, you can say 2DG is a glycolysis inhibitor that prevents ATP production. Now the big question, how 2DG inhibit virus replication? Virus infect cell में ग्लूकोज का रिक्वायरमेंट इंक्रीज हो जाता है एंड मोर ग्लूट चैनल एक्टिवेट होता है टू प्रोड्यूस मोर एनर्जी टू रेप्लिकेट द वायरस सेल. बट व्हाट इज ग्लूट चैनल? ग्लूट एक ऐसे चैनल जिसका थ्रू सेल का अंदर ग्लूकोज एंट्री होता है, बट सेल को 2DG मिलता है इंस्टेड ऑफ ग्लूकोज. एज आई अर्लियर से 2DG ग्लाइकोलाइसिस इनहिबिट करता है, सो सेल को एनर्जी नहीं मिल पाता है एंड वायरस सेल का रेप्लिकेशन इनहिबिट हो जाता है। नाउ हाउ द 2DG इंक्रीज द ऑक्सीजन लेवल इन कोविड-19 पेशेंट। सेल का अंदर ग्लाइकोलाइसिस एंड TCA साइकिल चलने का टाइम काफी स्टेप में ऑक्सीजन का रिक्वायरमेंट होता है फॉर ऑक्सीडेशन। हमारा सेल का अंदर ग्लाइकोलाइसिस साइकिल स्टॉप हो जाएगा तो सेल का ऑक्सीजन का रिक्वायरमेंट वो कम हो जाता है। जैसे ऑक्सीजन रिक्वायरमेंट कम होता है तो हमारा बॉडी का अंदर ऑक्सीजन का जो परसेंटेज है वो इंक्रीज हो जाता है। एज पर DRDO चेयरपर्सन डॉक्टर GS रेड्डी सेड it should also work against various strain of COVID-19 virus. Broadly, you can classify 2DG as an antiviral drug. But in the true sense, it is not an antiviral because it is not kill the virus. It gets only accumulate into the virus infected cell and cut off the growth material required for the virus growth. Now, how can 2DG be consumed? The anti-COVID drug 2DG has been developed in powder form and is ingested orally by dissolving in the water. As per DRDO 2DG को एम्प्टी स्टोमक में लेना है दिन में 2 बार, एक मॉर्निंग में एंड बिफोर द डिनर, एंड ये आपको अबाउट 5 to 7 डेज तक कंटिन्यू करना है। However, it should be consumed only on the advice of a doctor and it can be used for emergency purpose only as an additional therapy in the moderate to severe COVID patient. So friends, I think you understand about the 2DGI. ये वीडियो आप लोगों को कैसे लगा मुझे कमेंट्स करके बताना है, एंड आपको अभी भी कुछ डाउट है रिगार्डिंग 2DG आप मुझे कमेंट्स करके पूछ सकते हो। आई कैन डेफिनेटली रिप्लाई यू, एंड प्लीज शेयर दिस वीडियो टू योर फ्रेंड सर्किल एंड एज वेल एज द फैमिली मेंबर। थैंक यू।